नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। दिस इज JBM, डॉक्टर राकेश शर्मा, प्रोफेसर डिपार्टमेंट ऑर्गेन ऑफ मेडिसिन एंड होम्योपैथिक फिलोसॉफी, फैकल्टी ऑफ होम्योपैथिक साइंस, ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी, जयपुर। Our today session regarding how we learning homeopathy properly. So I suggest there are some points if we go through and applied in our study, we can achieve good knowledge and we will become a good doctor. So, how to start a new year in your homeopathic education? The new year has started for many people. It is time to make new year's resolutions beside the traditional resolutions such as losing weight, more exercising, quit smoking, relax more often. For a student, it could also be to study more efficiently or better at each. While we want to show you a few tips and tricks, several tips are also useful for students from the other homeopathic schools. These tips and advices are based on year of experience with students who study homeopathy. So the first tip for learning is successfully study homeopathy. A successful study of homeopathy is not completely dependent on your intelligence or talent, but mainly depend on effort, methodology, and way of working. You can, with good planning, efficient time management, and using the proper tools. It is paramount that you realize this so you can apply the tips mentioned below and do not get intimidated by the amount of the study material. Next is the planning and your homeopathy course. One of the most important tip we can provide you is that you must try to schedule all activities for the course very well, preferably further ahead than that next couple of weeks. In our years back, we provide you with the detailed information about what you need to do and when this needs to be done. Try to make a personalized schedule that contains information about what and when you are going to spend time on, and try to stick with that schedule. But on the other hand, be kind to yourself if the original planning does not work work out at certain moments. Just change the planning accordingly. For these situations, it is a good idea to accommodate some time for unforeseen circumstances in your original planning. Now, the third is the communicate adequately with your homeopathy teacher and the administrator. You should interact with your faculty every time. Whenever you feel some difficulty in a particular topic, in a particular chapter, you should consult immediately to your faculty teacher and clear your doubt as soon as. Next is the know your learning style. Everyone has some particular style of learning, particular style of adaptation. If you are comfortable in writing everything to learn, then it's okay. You can carry on. The main motto of this, you should learn something. You should meditate after learning on that particular topic. Next, try to understand instead of memorizing. It's very essential, important tip You should try to understand each and every subject instead of memorizing. If you understand properly, then there is no need of memorizing. You can memorize it for a long time and you can easily explain in the examination. So next is the use of the proper tools. You can go through digital or manual process also. In digital, there are some very useful links like Google Keep, Google Docs, and Microsoft Word, and some dictionaries, dictionary.com, Merriam-Webster dictionary you can use at learning. So, if you follow these tips in your study, definitely you should learn in a better way. Thanks.